When most Hilliard homeowners think about lowering their energy costs, they often focus on upgrading insulation, installing new windows, or replacing aging HVAC systems. But one of the most overlooked, and highly effective, ways to reduce monthly utility bills is ensuring that your home's exterior doors are properly installed. A door that fits tightly, seals correctly, and performs as designed can make a dramatic difference in indoor comfort and long-term energy savings. Here's how professional door installation directly impacts energy efficiency and helps Hilliard residents keep more money in their pockets. Proper installation eliminates drafts and air leaks. One of the biggest reasons energy bills rise in Hilliard homes is because heated or cooled air escapes through small gaps around exterior doors. Even the highest quality door won't perform well if it's installed unevenly or without proper sealing. With professional installation, homeowners get a perfectly leveled and squared door frame, tight weatherstripping that blocks air infiltration, proper shimming to eliminate gaps, secure sealing around thresholds and jambs. These details ensure your door closes tightly, preventing cold winter air or warm summer humidity from slipping indoors, and your conditioned air from leaking out. Reduced HVAC workload means lower energy costs. When outdoor air enters your home through poorly installed doors, your HVAC system has to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. This leads to higher energy usage and more wear and tear on your heating and cooling equipment. Properly installed doors help keep indoor temperatures stable, reduce how often your HVAC system cycles on, prevent hot and cold spots throughout your home, extend the life of your heating and cooling systems. For Hilliard residents dealing with humid summers and chilly winter nights, a well-installed door plays an essential role in reducing overall utility costs. Better insulation for year-round comfort. A properly installed door maximizes the insulation built into the door itself. Modern entry and patio doors often include foam insulation cores, thermal breaks, and energy-efficient glass. But if there are installation gaps, all that technology becomes far less effective. Professional installation ensures full contact between the frame and home structure. Proper expansion foam used around the opening, and airtight seal that supports efficient insulation. This results in a more comfortable indoor environment during Ohio's temperature swings. Moisture prevention protects energy efficiency. Hilliard experiences plenty of rain, humidity, and occasional snowfall. If moisture leaks into the door frame due to poor installation, it can damage insulation materials and lead to rot or mold, both of which reduce your home's energy efficiency. Correct installation prevents water infiltration around the door, warping that causes doors to fit improperly, deterioration of insulation, and weather stripping, hidden structural damage that leads to costly repairs. Keeping moisture out protects not just your door, but your entire home's energy performance. Energy-efficient doors need professional installation to perform. Many homeowners in Hilliard invest in Energy Star-rated doors, expecting immediate savings. While these doors are designed for superior performance, their benefits can only be realized with precise installation. Professional installers ensure correct placement of hinges and hardware, proper door compression when closed, exact fitting of energy-efficient glass units, smooth and secure operation year-round. The right installation allows your investment to work at its full potential. Long-term savings add up quickly. While proper door installation requires an upfront investment, the long-term benefits far outweigh the cost. Homeowners can expect lower monthly heating and cooling bills, reduced HVAC maintenance and replacement expenses, improved comfort and indoor air quality, increased resale value thanks to energy-efficient upgrades. Over time, these savings can add up to hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Final thoughts for Hilliard homeowners. Proper door installation isn't just about functionality, it's a key component of home energy efficiency. When your doors are installed correctly, they block drafts, prevent air leaks, reduce HVAC strain, and keep your home comfortable through every season. That translates directly into lower utility bills and long-term savings.